Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to tip your Lyft driver through the app. In order to tip your Lyft driver through the app, you need to follow the steps. Once your ride is completed, you need to open the Lyft app and go to your ride history. So for that, tap on the tab bar icon, and here you could see your ride history. So in this page, you could see the ride history. So you need to go ahead and tap on the option that says tip driver. You could choose a percentage or a custom tip amount before submitting your payment, and you could also add a tip through the email to receipt within a certain time frame after you ride. Then you need to access the tip options. Now make sure to remember these. You need to access the tip option after the ride and find the ride in your history. Now make sure to choose your tip amount and your time limit as well. So this way you'll be able to tip your Lyft driver through the app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.